Amid the ongoing war between Russia and Ukraine, India's Defense Research and Development Organization, or the DRDO, on Friday successfully flight tested a missile defense system that enables a missile to intercept aerial threats at long range at supersonic speeds. The solid fuel ducted ramjet booster was tested at the integrated test range in Chandipur off coast of Odisha, India. The successful trial of the SFDR is expected to help the DRDO in extending the range to air-to-air missiles, said the officials of India. In the ongoing war between Russia and Ukraine, where the anti-tank missiles have achieved significant success against Russian tanks, the Indian Army is going to incorporate the lessons of the conflict in the design of its futuristic main battle tank. In the Ukraine-Russia conflict, the reports from the war zone have suggested that the Ukrainians have extensively used anti-tank guided missiles to destroy hundreds of Russian armored vehicles, tanks, and achieve significant success. Indian armed forces have been keeping a close eye on developments on the battlefield, as loss of the equipment is common, including the tanks, defense systems, and missiles being used there. The inputs are being analyzed, and the lessons would be incorporated into the design of futuristic main battle tanks that would be produced and used by the Indian Army in coming years, according to an Indian news report. The Indian Army has been one of the biggest users of Russian armored, including the T90, T72 and BMP series infantry combat vehicles, which are the mainstay of the force of India. The Indian Army earlier used to deploy these tanks only along the desert and plain borders with Pakistan, but they have now become a phase of India's resolve along the China border too, as large numbers are deployed there from Ladakh to Sikkim. The Russia-Ukraine war going on around for 48 days, several European and North American nations are supplying anti-tank and anti-aircraft equipment such as the Javelins, Starsticks, NLAWs and 84s. The Indian designers of the tanks would attempt to offset that advance in futuristic main battle tanks for India that would be built some years from now, maybe a decade, they said. Time has to tell how the Indian tanks will withstand the Pakistan and Chinese anti-tank missiles. As you can see, T90 and the T72 tanks are made by Russians and are used by the Indian military a lot.
Apple is best known for its innovative digital products. Recently, Apple's next big thing, augmented reality glasses, is a hot topic in the field of technology. Apple's augmented reality glasses are the next innovative product in the pipeline. According to Prosser, an authentic information leaker, these AR augmented reality glasses will be called Apple Glass. Although these glasses will be safe to use for everyone, people with eyesight problems will have the option to use prescription lenses at an additional cost. What are Apple's augmented reality glasses? You must have heard the term virtual reality, which acts like a window from which you can see the invented world. In the case of augmented reality, screens or transparent lenses are used to place digital items in the field of your vision on the top of the real world. Apple's AR glasses work on the same principle. These are the first-generation wearable glasses that provide 3D imaging and video information in the user's real world by placing digital data in the wearer's actual world. In 2015 and 2017, numerous AR glass patents came in hearing, but there was no clue if the product would be launched or not. But in 2019, the matter about Apple Glass again took a sneak peek, so you could expect that this project would happen. According to Apple, these AR glasses will interact with the wearer's iPhone for processing. Moreover, we can expect that these glasses will have a display feature in the lenses to let you interact with by using several different gestures. As the product will work on a framework powered by companion iPhone, these AR glasses will require no separate display and software. The company did not yet reveal the exact date of the AR glasses release. At first, Apple intended to disclose the release date in its iPhone event in the fall. Due to some reasons, the official announcement will be in March 2021. Notwithstanding, according to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, the expected launching of AR glasses would be in 2023. Either way, you can rest assured that Apple's new wearable augmented reality glasses are in the working stages. At the top of all the news in the air, leaked information on July 10, 2020 reported that Apple's AR glasses had passed the prototype stage. As of now, these glasses have entered the trial production stage. Evaluating carefully, you can say that these first-generation wearable glasses are one step closer to entering the market. Features of Apple's augmented reality glasses. Various expected innovative features of Apple Glass include ability to run a starboard OS or registered OS unveiled in iOS 13 latest version, less high-tech lenses according to analysts and several leak news, capacity to work on a framework of companion iPhone for processing, bringing information from your phone to your face, displaying users' emails, texts, maps, and games from iPhone into the wearer's field of vision, support for third-party apps by integrating an app store in AR glasses, no requirement of any prescription lenses for the people with eye care problems. However, this feature would be available in a second-generation pair of Apple glasses. How will Apple's AR glasses work? These AR glasses would format camera images by foreseeing their color range. This formatting results in making a composite with the virtual data. Currently, these AR glasses will have an expected price tag of $499 without a prescription lens fee. Considering this low price, we can say that the product has less complexity because of working with the companion iPhone. According to recent reports, the AR glasses will look like a pair of plastic glasses. These glasses will have a LiDAR scanner having a plastic stand and wireless chargers. Moreover, these glasses will have no tinted variety, so you will need to keep up with your sunglasses as well. A natural look is a necessary accessory of every product a customer wants. So, Apple Glass should be as natural looking as other sunglasses so that you can wear them anytime without waiting for specific times or occasions. Further, full 3D integration in the glasses displays is the real power of augmented reality. So, we expect to have this display from Apple Glass. Moreover, long battery life is the must-have of every digital product. The average battery life of 6 to 8 hours would be enough to get through the day. Based on Apple Glass patents, the wearer will be able to change the background just like on Zoom. Further, these glasses will have depth sensors to detect what is present around the wearer in dark or low light. These depth sensors will have an illuminator which will emit electromagnetic radiation. Reflected by any object, a detector will detect these radiations. In this way, the wearer can predict things present around the user. To sum up, these AR glasses are still in the production stage. Till now, there's no announcement about the exact date when the product will hit the markets.